The interactive dashboard can become the central workspace for a user, and many standard tasks, these are the actions driven from the main menu, can be invoked directly from a dashboard. I'm going to add in a new gadget, and so I'm going to choose Create Gadget, and you can see here the main menu item option, and so I can add in now the main menu actions that I want to use. Now this can either be an option from the CRM menu or from an external URL, and if I choose CRM as my first menu item, then I can now select one of the standard behaviors that are associated with the main menu. And here you can see that I've selected to call the New Opportunity function, and I've provided a label for the icon. And it's easy to add further items, including web addresses that you want to call from the buttons. Now to finish off the gadget, it needs to be given a name, and then I can finish to display the gadget. And the gadget drops into the screen, which I can then rearrange. And I've started to resize the gadget, and you can see the orientation of the menu item is vertical rather than horizontal. And I've adjusted the gadgets in the dashboard to fit the new gadget into the display. And so a user can click the items in the gadget to invoke the behavior. And in this case, I've directly called the New Opportunity screen.